Back in the days, so many times I would spend my time on YouTube and Google searching how to make money online. And I would get all these videos with all these theories that didn't work for me. I was always frustrated. But today, let me just share with you very practical ways of making money online that I've practiced, and not only me, but even the people that I've taught how to do business and imports. My name is Ray. I teach and mentor people on how to do imports from China, and also I do fly groups to China. In the month of April, we are flying for 17 days to explore the international markets. If you'd want to join us, write to us on our WhatsApp, call our number, or even email us and join us in the 9th business trip to China. I also do online classes, virtual classes. You can register in either of them from any part of the world that you're in. Then come, let's learn how to do our imports from China. Now, to start with, I want you to love and embrace the Chinese market. If you want these ideas to work well for you, embrace the Chinese market. I've seen this perception that people have, mostly the people that come from the European countries, US and all that China has fake products. Forgetting that almost everything that is used and consumed in the whole world comes from China. Now, once you embrace the Chinese market, you must understand how to ship your things from China to your country. If you'd want a course on how to do that, I do offer that. You can join any of our upcoming classes. Just contact us, inquire with us, and we're going to book you in for a class, not less than 4 hours class, so that you can understand the concepts of shipping, how you're going to receive what you ordered with the same specifications, and not the idea of what I ordered versus what I got. Then once you get to understand how to ship your things from China, the next thing is to spend quality time on e-commerce platforms in China or that have the Chinese products, or even fly to China if you have the time and the finances. But if you don't have to fly to China. Alibaba is enough. Spend quality time on Alibaba. Scroll down and scroll down. Look at the new innovations, the new things that the Chinese are bringing in the market. Then once you've scrolled enough, relate any product that you're going to settle for with what is needed from the place that you come from. Is there a shortage of televisions, good quality televisions? And maybe the TVs that are in your market, they're expensive. Would you want to offer good quality TVs, lower prices, or cameras, or anything, or even something as good as and simple as a mug, or even a bottle? Anything. You can settle for anything that you'd want to settle for. But here's the twist. Don't buy the products and ship them directly to your country. No. Settle for one, not even two, one product that you think that would work well for you. Then once you've liked one specific product that you've settled for, get a graphic designer, design the logo of your product, give it a name. If it is a TV, get a name for the TV brand. Then once you've designed the logo and the box, the package, how it should look like, go and trademark that. Because out of the 26,000 people that have taught how to do imports, all that got into getting their own brands of a specific product did well. None of them settled for a product that they are struggling to push into the market. So it is important for you to trademark it, because you don't want a situation where your product will blow, then someone will realize that you haven't trademarked it. They'll take your logo, trademark it, and you cannot be able to import the same product again. Yet it was your very own original idea. Once you've done that, remember I talked about getting a graphic designer to design for you the box, how you'd want the box to look like. You must have some corporate colors of, how you want the color of your box to look like, the details and everything, and the logo to be precise. Then share the details with your supplier in China. Again, once you've shared the details of, how your box should look like and all that, tell them that you'd want them to brand for you the product. They do it for free. You can pick the cheapest of the product. Doesn't have to be big. Doesn't have to be an expensive gadget. Can be a mouse, something as simple as just maybe a mouse like this. Doesn't have to be a TV, doesn't have to be a mattress, doesn't have to be, it can be something as simple as a smartwatch, something as simple as a water bottle and all that. Now, make sure that you're getting the highest quality or the best quality. When it comes to your own brand, you want people to relate with good quality. Remember, in China, you get what you want. So you must have very specific specifications of what you're looking for. If it's a water bottle, probably you'd want a silicone lid. If it's a mouse, maybe you'd want it to feel a certain way when someone is using it. Please be very specific on the qualities that you're looking for in that specific product, so that people can relate your product with good quality. Then once you've done the box, how it's supposed to be, and the logo, share it with your supplier in PDF and ask your supplier to produce for you. Then ask your supplier to package your product as per the logo and the colors and the name of your brand. Once that has been done, ship it to your country. But here is the thing. I want you to invest on selling on e-commerce platforms. We have so many e-commerce platforms in your country. We have Amazon, we have eBay, we have Jumia, we have Walmart, we have all these type of e-commerce platforms. Kilimall, there are so many. Post your product in there, push it. And I told you, start with one product so that you can be able to ship in huge quantities, get the lowest of the price, then sell just one product. Then once that does well, you can settle for another one. Did you get that point? Brand a product, ship it, sell it on e-commerce platforms. That is like a cash cow. You just be making money day in, day out. You don't have to fly to China and import all the clutter, try to push it in your marketplace. No. Doesn't have to work like that. Point number 2, you can make money online, but in this case, you don't have to buy the product. You don't even have to brand the product. We have so many Chinese who are ready to get distributors whom they can work with in your country. Once you understand how to ship your things from China to your country and spend quality time on Alibaba, approach all these factories with the products that you think that you can be able to sell well on e-commerce platforms or even online. Tell them that you can comfortably work with them. You're ready to work with them. They can ship the products for you, and they do that. If you sell the trust to them, then you can sell. Then once you sell, you can revert the money that is needed. So many people have gotten into such agreements, including myself. I've been approached so many times by suppliers in China because China is my second home. I've been approached so many times by Chinese suppliers asking me to do distributorship, have the goods in containers in my country, sell for them, then I can give them a certain amount of money. But you have to create a very good system. Let them know how they are supposed to get their money back. Have a registered business. It's okay for you to just register that business name or even LLC or even the company name. Then once you've done that, you can be able to get all the documents needed to have your things shipped. So let it be a very, very formal way. That is what I mean. And with that, they are going to trust you. They're going to give the goods to you. Now, I can give you a story of people that were given goods and ran away with their money. Or that ran away with the goods, never reverted the money. Sometimes people think that that is a shortcut that they can take. But remember, it is okay for you to be trustworthy. I remember a story like 10 years ago where this person, there were 2 people, they were given each a container of motorbike spare parts to sell by a company in China. Then one of them got the goods, ran away with the money, and ran away with the goods. The other one sold the parts, the spare parts, the motorbike spare parts, got their cut, reverted the money that they were supposed to send to China to the Chinese company. And let me tell you, this person that got a system and a way of how to work with the Chinese have grown and grown and grown. And as we speak, they are multi-millionaires. The person who ran away with the container, with the products, didn't go anywhere. They are actually the poorest, if I may say so, as we speak. There is something about the universe does not reward a person who takes away what does not belong to them. And the Chinese are very diplomatic people, very formal people. They're just people with morals and behaviors. They like it when you respect that. And how much do you think a company would go a loss if you just take a container out of them, yet they are the biggest production company in the whole world? You'll be doing yourself more harm. Work with trust and that will work well. Number 3, dropshipping. Dropshipping works so well. Again, you must understand the Chinese markets, navigate, talk, and even converse with your suppliers. If you don't know, again, how to do this, you can join any of our upcoming classes. I will carefully teach you how to do that, how to even ship your things from China to your country. And you can also join our upcoming trips. We do 3 trips in an year. In April, we are doing our first trip. It's late for registrations, but you can still contact us and see if we can be able to accommodate you. What is drop shipping? To me, I don't like drop shipping, and that is why I gave it at number 3. I don't even do it. But if you have no otherwise, I mean, you're young, you're 20, you're 19, you're 22, you're 23, you have no money, you have nothing. I believe dropshipping is for the young who are trying to build themselves. They don't have the cash, not even maybe $500 that they can put in place to start a business. Let it be the least in your list. If you can be able to go with the first idea that I shared with you, the better for you. But if you have no otherwise, then you can do drop shipping. Now, you must again understand the Chinese markets. Again, you must understand how to converse with these suppliers. I told you, if you don't know how to do it, you can join any of our upcoming virtual business and imports classes, and I'll carefully teach you for 4 hours how you're supposed to do it so that you can get into a serious conversation and business agreement with the Chinese suppliers. And in many cases, they know when they're dealing with amateurs, and you don't want a Chinese factory or supplier get to know that you don't really understand how to do your business in China. So what do? If you don't have the finances, but you have an idea, go to Shopify, create a page, or just any other, marketplace. Create a good website where you're selling specific and different merchandise. Could be even 5 in this case because you don't have to invest in finances. Could be even 20, could be even 30. 30 products from one specific company or supplier. I would advise you to start with. Don't get to work with more than maybe 2 or 3 suppliers. Just do one. One supplier in China could be having 50 different products. Yes, in the same cluster, but different products. Then post all the products or put all the products in your new website. Then if someone shops from your new website or marketplace like Shopify, the product is shipped straight from China to the client. And money is paid, you get your cut, and Chinese faithfully give you your cut when a purchase is done. I can attest to this. If there are people in this universe that have seen that they are so real, genuine, and trustworthy when it comes to giving the cut that they're supposed to give to the people that brought in the client are the Chinese, then you're going to get your cut. But let this be the least. If you can be able to practice the first that I shared with you, the better. That is what has worked well for me. I've done it. I have a whole brand of mattresses, one of the best mattresses I sell, and it has done me well. I don't have to even have a physical location where people are walking in and out. I just have to put my e-commerce platforms together, my website together, and it has been very, very beautiful. And you don't have to go for the most expensive product. It can be the least and the cheapest, and it is going to move in very, very huge masses. Think of the best brands. Think of the very wealthy business people. What do? Do they collect clutter from everywhere and sell? No. They get a niche, they get a product, they put all their attention and energy in that very one product, and that is how they grow to become the biggest. Look, the idea of getting a package and flying with it to China, or moving around in those Alibaba, all those e-commerce platforms, asking suppliers, do you have this? Do you have this? Is outdated. You could be carrying someone's product package that it is even illegal, or you cannot be able to counterfeit it. So instead of copying, can you come up with your own brand? Just one item. Then put it on social media, put it on online places, put it on e-commerce platforms, marketplaces like Shopify, and you're going to be amazed by how much money you're going to make. Remember to incorporate a payment method that will help your clients to pay via mobile banking, different types of, credit cards, debit cards, all these PayPal and all that. We have so many platforms that can help us integrate that thing in our platforms. We have PesaPal and so many others that you can use. Integrate it so that people can comfortably shop and have their goods delivered. And if you are too busy, for the people that are in corporate, you don't have time to even think about the products and all that. Here is an idea. You can ship the products from China, take them to the warehouse, the Amazon warehouse, the Jumia warehouse, the Kilimall warehouse, have them stored in there. Sales will be done, the dispatch will be done, the returns will be handled without your interactions or interruptions. So this can work well for anyone in any part of the world that you are in. I'm looking forward to see your comment down there. Let me know if you got it clearly. Would you need some clarifications? Write to me down there. And let me just know how you feel about this method. And 2026 can be a better year for us business people if we learn to do things the right way. And I'm looking forward to see you doing business the right way, putting all the ideas, putting all the the knowledge, the wisdom that, all these skills that are coming up these days. Gone are the days where you had to get a physical location, push your product from the physical location. Social media world has changed everything. Make your millions, and once you do, you will thank me later. Leave a comment down below. If you'd want again to join our classes, please let me know. Here is our number, our email. Just contact us. Bye-bye.